morning dear students, welcome to online classes. Dear student, we have solved exercise 2.2 in previous class. Now I am going to take next point, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. We have to learn here how we can multiply fraction by a fraction. First I am taking here two fractions. I will show how we can multiply fraction to fraction. See, dear student, I am taking here an example 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Dear student, I took here two fractions 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. When we multiplying these two fractions, we are getting here 1 into 1. When we multiplying fraction to fraction, we have to multiply here numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. See, when we multiply, we are getting here solution 1 into 1 is a 1, 3 into 2 is a 6. Okay, 1 by 6 we got the answer. Dear friend, this fraction, if you taking one circle, how we can represent this fraction in a circle? See, dear friend, I am taking here one circle. See, this is the circle. This is the circle. We have to first represent this circle 1 by 3. Complete circle, we have to divide here 3 parts. Within the 3 parts, we have to take one part outside, or we have to shade the one part of this circle. See, I am dividing here this circle into 3 parts. See, I divided this circle into 3 parts. See, within the 3 parts, I am shading one part. Within the 3 parts, I am shading here one part. See, this circle representing here 1 by 3. This circle representing here 1 by 3. Next, we have to represent 1 by 2 in this circle. See, when we are representing 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, we can say that 1 by 2 of 1 by 3. See, this 1 by 2 also we have to represent in this circle. To represent 1 by 2, we have to divide this part into 2 parts. When we dividing this part into 2 parts, we can say that 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So if you dividing these two also 2 parts, see, if you dividing these 2 parts, you are getting here answer is 1 by 6. Okay, when we multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equal 1 by 6. We got here answer is 1 by 6. Next, student, I am taking here, if we take 2 whole numbers, when we multiply 2 whole numbers, we have to check here for multiplication, the product of 2 whole numbers is greater than each whole number or not. See, dear student, I am taking here example 3 into 4. I took here 2 whole numbers. When we multiply 2 whole numbers, we are getting here 12 is the answer. See, 12 is greater than 3. Okay, also 12 is greater than 4. Dear student, when we multiply 2 whole numbers, the product is greater than each whole number. Dear student, what happens to the value of the product when we multiply 2 fractions? Dear student, I am taking the first point here, the product of 2 proper fractions. When we multiply 2 proper fractions, we are getting product is greater than each fraction or lesser than each fraction. Okay, see here one example. 2 into 4 is 8 by 5 into 3 is 15. When we comparing these 2 fractions, we are getting here 8 by 15 is lesser than 2 by 5, 2 by 3. Okay, and also here 8 by 15 is lesser than 4 by 5. Okay, so we can say that the value of the product of two proper fractions is smaller than each of the two fractions. Dear student, see, if we have improper fraction, okay, dear friend, when we taking two improper fractions, after multiplication, the product of two improper fraction is greater than each fraction or lesser than each fraction. Okay, see here, I am taking an example here when we multiplying two improper fractions. Example, I am multiplying here two improper fractions. I am getting here answer is 7 5 is 35 by 3 into 2 is 6. Dear friend, we have to multiply here numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. We are getting here 35 by 6. Let us see, this 35 by 6 is greater than or lesser than. Dear student, when we comparing each fraction, we are getting here 35 by 6 is greater than 7 by 3 and 35 by 6 is greater than 5 by 2. Okay, dear student, we can say that product is greater than each of the fraction. We can say that when we multiplying two improper fraction, product is greater than each of the fraction. Dear student, now I am taking your exercise 2.3. See, first me find 1 by 4 of, we have in this question 3 parts, A, B, C. We have 3 parts. First part I am taking here 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Solution. Let us see solution. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. See, first part I am taking here 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. When here, dear student, as you discussed in previous classes, of represent your multiplication. See, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. When we multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, we are getting here 1 into 1, 4 into 4 is 16. Okay, this is the answer. Next, I am taking the second part of this question. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Again, of represent here multiplication. Now, 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. Now, when we multiply here, 3 into 1 is 3 by 5 into 4 is 20. Okay, this is the solution. Next, third part of this question, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. Now, third part of this question here, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. When we see here, of represent here multiplication 4 by 3. 4 ones are opposite side, we cancel here. We are getting here 1 into 1, 1 is 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 1 is 3. This is the solution. Next, second question in this first main, see here, solution. 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. See, dear friend, here also of represent multiplication. See here, 1 by 7 into 2 by 9. Okay, see, when we multiply 2 into 1 is 2, 9 is 63. This is the solution. Next, second part of this question, 1 by 7 of, see here, second part of this question, 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. 6 by 5. Of represent here multiplication. See, 6 by 5. When we multiply numerator to numerator, we are getting here 6 into 1 is 6, 7 into 5 is 35. This is the solution. Last part of this question is 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. See, last part of this question, 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. Now half represent here multiplication 3 by 10. When we multiply 3 into 1 are 3 by 7 into 10 are 70. This is the solution. Dear student, next I am going to take second main. Okay, dear student, second main, multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. Okay, see your first question is, see solution. First question, 2 by 3 into 2 whole 2 by 3. We have to multiply it. Dear student, before multiplication we have to convert this mixed fraction as a improper fraction. Now 2 by 3 into 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. Okay, now we have to multiply it. 3 to the 16, 3 3 the 9. Dear student, we have a improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction as a mixed fraction. Then we have to divide here by 9. We have to divide 16 by 9. 9 ones are 9. Remaining here 7. Remaining here 7. When we writing as a mixed fraction, we are getting here 1 whole 7 by 9. This is the solution. Next question I am taking here. Let us see solution. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. See, we have to multiply here 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Okay, see, you cancel here 2, 7 ones are 7 ones are. Okay, when we multiply 2 into 1s are 2, 9 into 1s are 9. This is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. Now, third problem here, solution. Solution 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Okay, when we multiply here, see here, before we have to cancel it. If possible, you cancel here. See, 3 2s are 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. When we multiply here, 3 into 3, 9 by 4 into 4, 16. Okay, 9 by 16 is the answer. Next, fourth question, solution. 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. When we multiply here, these are 27 by 5 into 5 are 25. Dear student, we got here improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction as a mixed fraction. Then see here, when we dividing 27 by 25, we getting here 25 into 1s are 25, remaining here 2. When we writing as a mixed fraction, we are getting here 1 whole 2 by 25. This is the solution. Next, fifth one question here. This is the solution. Let us see solution. 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. Now 3 1s are 3 5s are. When we multiply here, 5 into 1s are 5, 8 into 1s are 8. This is the solution. Okay, dear student, next I am taking here sixth one problem. Let us see solution. Solution. See, 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. Okay, see, when we multiply 11 into 3 is 33 by 2 into 10 is 20. Okay, here also we got improper fraction. We have to convert as a mixed fraction. We have to divide here 33 by 20. When we divide 21 is 20, remaining here 13. Okay, when we writing as a mixed fraction, we are getting here 1 whole 13 by 20. This is the solution. 1 whole 13 by 20. This is the solution. Okay, now I am taking here the third main of this exercise. Multiply the following fraction. Dear student, I am solving here only 5 problems, remaining problems you solve in homework. Okay, now first one question here. Let us see solution. See, in this first question we have, one is the proper fraction and one is the mixed fraction. When we multiply any fraction, we have to convert as a improper fraction. If you have mixed fraction, in that moment we have to convert as a improper fraction. Let us see solution. 2 by 5 into 5 whole 1 by 4. When we converting as a improper fraction. 5 fours are 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. See, you cancel here. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now 21 into 1s are 21, 5 2s are 10. Dear student, we got here improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction as a mixed fraction. Now we have to divide by 10. 10 2s are 20, remaining here 1. When we writing as a mixed fraction, we are getting here 2 whole 1 by 10. This is the solution. Let us see second question. Solution 6 whole 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. Dear student, in this question also we have one is the mixed fraction, second one is the proper fraction. We have to convert as a improper fraction. 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. If possible, you cancel. There is not possible to cancel, so we have to multiply here numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 2 into 7s are, we are getting here 224. 4 into 9s are, we are getting here 49. Yes, when we got here improper fraction, we have to convert this improper fraction as a mixed fraction. When we converting as a mixed fraction, we are getting here 45 4s are 180, remaining here 444. When we writing as a mixed fraction, we are getting here 4 or 44 by 45. This is the solution. Let us see third question here. Solution 3 by 2 into 5 whole 1 by 3. Now 3 by 2, when we convert in mixed fraction as improper fraction, we are getting here 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. Now you cancel 3 1s are 3 1s are, 2 1s are 2 8s are, remaining here 8 is the answer. Here now fourth question. Solution 5 by 6 into 2 whole 3 by 7. Dear student, in this question also we have one is the mixed fraction. We have to convert as an improper fraction. After that we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Now let us see. 5 by 6 into 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17 by into 5s are 85 6. When we multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, 5 into 17 we are getting here 85. 6 into 7 2. Dear student, we got here improper fraction. We have to convert this improper fraction as a mixed fraction. Now we have to divide 85 by 42. When we divide 42 2s are 84, remaining is 1. When we writing as a mixed fraction, we are getting here 2 whole 1 by 42. This is the solution. Next, I am taking a fifth one problem. Let us see solution. 3 whole 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. Dear student, here also we have mixed fraction. We have to convert as a improper fraction. 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. When we multiply here, 68 and 5 into 7 is 5 into 7 is 35. Dear friend, here also we got here improper fraction. We have to convert as a mixed fraction. When we convert it, we have to divide by 35. 2 1s are 35. Remaining here 3. Okay, remaining here 33. When we writing as a improper fraction, when 35 into 1s are 35, remaining here 33, remaining is 33. When we are writing as a mixed fraction, we are getting here 1 or 33 by 35. Now this is the solution. Dear student, the next I am taking here 4 main. Next I am taking here 4 main, which is the greater in these two fractions. Okay, see first one 7 by 7, 2 by first one 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. I am solving the first part 2 by 7. Dear friend, we know of representative multiplication 3 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. When we multiply here, 3 into 1s are 3 by 7 2s are 14. Next, second part of this question, let us see. 3 by 5. We know of represent here multiplication. Then 5 by 8. 5 1s are cancel here. 3 into 1s are 3 by 8 into 1s are 8. See, we got here 3 by 14 and 3 by 8. Yes, friend, in this problem here, 3 by 14 is smaller than 3 by 8. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, let us see second problem here. Solution. Here also we have to find out here which is the greater in these two parts. Okay, first one, 1 by 2 of 6 by 7. Okay, second part. Let us see. First part I am showing here. 1 by 2 of represent multiplication, 6 by 7. 2 1s are 2 3s are. When we multiply here, 3 1s are 3, 7 1s are 7. This is the first part. Now second part. Let us see second part. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. See, of represent here multiplication. 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. 3 by 7. 3 1s are cancel here. 2 into 1s are 2 by 7 into 1s are 7. See, therefore we got here 2 also answer. When we comparing 3 by 7 and 2 by 7. See, when we comparing 3 by 7 and 2 by, when we comparing 3 by 7 and 2 by 7, here 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, dear friend, in this class I solved here 4 questions, exercise 2.3. Tomorrow class I will solve remaining problems. I will solve tomorrow class. Thank you.